Ellen DeGeneres has just announced that she will be returning to her hit daytime show, and when her show comes back on, she's vowed to address all the things that have been said against her and her show. And I don't know about you guys, but I cannot wait to see that. Hey, what's up everyone, it's Mackenzie here, and today on the channel I'm going to be filling you in on the new update that the Ellen show will be coming back, and what the reaction has been from fans and fellow celebrities. But before I get into it, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our playlist of other news stories just like this one. So Ellen just announced that her show will be returning to season 18 on Monday, September 21st, with Ellen saying in a statement, quote, "I can't wait to get back to work and back to our studio, and yes, we're gonna be talking about it." And it, we can infer, is referring to all the backlash that's come out against her, accusing the show of being toxic with rampant racism and sex. And this is a shock to some, as there's been tons of speculation that Ellen wouldn't be returning to the show, and honestly, I didn't think that she would be coming back originally. Ellen also announced that the first guest she will be speaking with is Tiffany Haddish, and the pair will kick off the new season. Other guests that will be appearing on the show in the first few weeks are Kerry Washington, Alec Baldwin, and Chrissy Teigen. Then later on in the month, DeGeneres plans to welcome Chris Rock, Amy Schumer, Adam Sandler, and Orlando Bloom. The show also announced that Ellen's beloved DJ, Steven Twitch Boss, who has been the DJ since 2014, will be guest hosting some episodes as well. But people are speculating that the fact that she'll be hosting less might actually mean she is gearing up to leave after this season ends, but you know, we don't really know, of course. In other updates, Warner Brothers confirmed that executive producers Ed Glavin and Kevin Lehman and co-executive producer Jonathan Norman have left the show and denied any wrongdoing before doing that. Ellen has also tried to get the support of her staff back by apologizing to them, with a Zoom meeting taking place on August 17th, where she explained her side of the story to her staff, with her revealing that she is introverted, and that distance made people misinterpret her as mean. Okay. Saying in an interview, quote, "Does that mean I'm perfect? No, I'm not. I'm a multi-layered person, and I try to be the best person I can be, and I try to learn from my mistakes." It was also reported that her staff was given a better benefits package, including more medical support, as that was an issue in the past. In light of all this, fellow TV host Steve Harvey made some comments about his thoughts on Ellen's return, saying that if it were him, he'd walk away. In an interview with ET, he said, quote, "Ellen has got a lot of money. If I was Ellen, I'd just walk away. She has enough. I wouldn't let them drag me down like that. I've never seen any sign of it. Not saying nothing ever happened over there, but I will say this, Ellen DeGeneres is point blank period one of the coolest people I've ever met." There's also of course been a ton of reactions on social media, with tons of people stating that this is proof that cancel culture is not real, with some even bringing up that if Ellen were a man, there was no way she'd be allowed to come back. Others were also questioning how the staff is feeling about all this, and if the staff were willingly coming back or if they had to find replacements for some people. Then people just saying that her show is boring as hell and they're shocked she's still on air, and honestly, I'm a little bit a part of that group, not gonna lie. So I guess that's all for the story as of now, but I am dying to know below, will you be watching? I've personally never actually watched Ellen's show before, but you bet I will be tuning in for this first episode to see how she, handles all this controversy. Like, I love that. Like, I watch every apology video, I watch every comeback. I watch all that because I'm just so fascinated to see, how they feel that they're gonna come back and, get the trust of their audience. But before I head out, I'm going to shout out a few comments from Char's video on Tana Mongeau's apology, because I don't have any new videos yet, and I'm just way too invested in all this to, not talk about it a little bit. So Minso said Tana Mongeau sounds angry while apologizing for microaggressions. Yeah, literally, like the first sentence she comes on, "I'm so sorry for my time." Like, it's like, whoa, like what did I do to you? Truly, whoever let her upload that should be fired immediately, I'm sorry. Then Melinda said, "They always say he has ended their career, and their careers carry on like nothing happened." You know what? I actually think Tana's career might kind of be over or starting to go downhill, because I was just looking at her apology video, and right now before I checked, right now before I came on screen, her apology video only had like 1.3 million views, and it was uploaded a few days ago. And if you compare that to someone like Jeffree and Shane, who we can consider her in the same league of course she doesn't have as many subscribers, but she is just as talked about, and they got millions of views on their apology videos in hours. So that's really interesting. Why is no one watching this apology video, especially since it's been so anticipated? Like, it really seems like it could be the beginning of the end for her. Then Alance said, okay, if she wanted to apologize to the two people, she should have apologized to them personally. Her putting it on YouTube left it open for criticism. Agreed, and actually the people who called her out didn't even want a video made. I didn't know this, but I saw Colin's tweets on Twitter saying that him and Nessa did not want a video. Like, they explicitly told Hannah not to make a video, but you know, she still did, and I guess that shows you how much she listened to them. And honestly, she would have been so much better off if she didn't make the video, so I don't even understand why she made it if they were giving her that out to not make the video. It's very strange. Alright, that's all from me today, everyone. Thank you so much for sticking around if you made it all the way here, and be sure to like, subscribe, and click that little bell to stay up to date with us, and I will catch you in the next one.